Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and capturing consistent frames. Put Sims into pose using Pose Player or in-game interactions, then pause with frame spacing in mind. Use a fixed camera, flycam or camera mods, and disable UI overlays so each frame matches. Once done, capture stills using high-resolution screenshots or the in-game camera at your chosen frame rate. This preserves detail and prevents jitter when you compile. Make sure lighting and shadows stay identical between shots to avoid flicker later. Now you assemble the sequence and refine timing. Load your image sequence into an editor and set it to 30 or 60 FPS to match capture. Trim unwanted frames, then adjust exposure and color so lighting reads uniform across the cut. If movement looks choppy, add duplicate frames or subtle motion blur to simulate interpolation, and nudge frame timing to sync with reference audio. Once the motion feels natural, render low-res drafts to confirm pacing before final export, saving iteration. To finish, focus on polish and deliverables. Render at a high bitrate or lossless codec to preserve detail, then inspect for flicker, popping props, or stray UI remnants. Correct these with frame-level edits and consistent color grading. Use stabilization sparingly to remove microjitter, and add final audio mix and sound effects timed to your frames. If something breaks, revert to saved iterations and re-export the problematic segment. Keeping backups prevents total loss and speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.